Today, I'm going to show you how to get up and running with echowin within minutes. I'm Ashish. I'm the co-founder of echowin. Let's dive into our platform. I'm going to set up echowin for Anytime Fitness located here in Georgetown, Texas. Let's start by configuring your AI agent. Next, let's add a greeting for your customers. Next, let's pick a voice that we like. We have a selection of over 50 voices. You can also configure how fast your agent speaks. I'm going to set it to normal for now. All right, it's time to train your agent. Let's teach your agent about your business, product, policies, hours, and any other relevant information. One way to do that is adding references. Let's add a reference real quick. The alternate to that is web pages. If you already have a website with all the relevant information, add those web pages and your agent will instantaneously grasp all the knowledge. I'm going to go ahead and add that for Anytime Fitness. You can also have a combination of references and web pages to cover everything. Now, let's train your agent to automate various workflows for your business. Let's say whenever someone asks for a refund, you want to route the calls to one of your staff and email all those refund requests to your manager. Let's set that up real quick. All you need to do is chat with QB. QB is our AI solutions developer. Let's just tell QB what to do. As we can see, the scenario has been created. You can also use Scenario Builder to build the workflows on your own using various tools available here. The basic setup and training is complete. Now, let's test the system.
And training purposes. Hey, this is Abby from Anytime Fitness. How can I help you today?
Hey, what time do you guys close tomorrow?
Just a moment. We are open 24 hours, but our staffed hours are from 10:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Friday.
Okay, actually I wanted a refund.
Hang on. Can I have your name, please?
It's Josh.
Could you please tell me the reason for your refund request?
I don't have time to come to the gym.
Please hold on while we transfer your call.
So the call was transferred to the staff and the manager also received an email. In the next video, I'm going to do a deep dive into some of the platform features and tools. Thank you and have a great day.